Hello, Stiga Cybershape carbon is very famous now. I have seen that some players in Vietnam who are trying to make a similar racket shape. I have made a review about this racket. You can search Stiga Cybershape review PingSunday to read about it. Some provincial players in China want to test this new racket. Hainan Provincial Team member is testing this new racket. I have heard some of their feedback is the sound of the blade is crisp. The blade is rather stiff, a lot of energy to play far from the table. The main issue of Stiga Cybershape is that the center of gravity is up near the head, so the blade is rather head heavy.